Welcome to the channel today. Today we're doing a brake service. So here's a GLC300. So it's a 2021. So I'm going to show you guys how to release this one right here. It is our parking brake is electronic, so you cannot replace these brake pads unless you release this one. So I'm going to show you how to do it on the dash. So you come to the car right here. So get in. All right, so what you do, you just come here, you just tap it once. So what you do next is you see right there is that circle which forms around there with the blue thing. Just bring it like that, it comes to the middle, and then when you bring all the way like to the left, so make sure it's in the middle. You see right there and right there like that. So once you do that, you keep scrolling like that. Make sure the mileage is supposed to be in the middle. This one right here, make sure the mileage is in the middle so that the procedure can proceed. So what you do next, you pay attention right here. So you use one hand like this, use your three hands, this one and this one and this one. So you hold home and hold back like that. So just hold them together like that, and then you hold them for like 4 seconds, and then you tap the middle like that. So when you tap it like that, this mode pops up. It's called workshop mode. So if you don't do this, when you scroll across, you will never see a workshop mode. All right, let me demonstrate. So let's say the car is shut off, and then you're out. So let's say the car has been sitting. So and then you just come straight up, and then you start your car, and then you press this right here, the menu. So if you scroll all the way to the end, you will see you will end it at service. So the workshop mode is not there, so you'll never get to access the place where you can be able to release that parking brake. So what you do, you just do the same thing, home and this right here, and then you tap the middle one like that, and then that thing should be able to pop out. So let me just bring you guys to right there. So when it's just like that, so follow my hands. You put here, and then you press the middle right there, but you hold it for a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you tap like that. So workshop mode will come. So when workshop mode comes, you tap in the middle just like that. So you scroll down to a brake pad replacement. So condition not fulfilled. So make sure your parking brake is released. So when you tap the car on like that, make sure you release the parking brake. So when the parking brake is released, and then you can try again parking mode is right there. So I've released it, and then press OK. So you just press OK, and then say press OK to move position. So now it's moving everything to a fitting position. You can hear there's something making noise. Once it's done, it should tell you that fitting position reached, so you can proceed to replacement of the brake pads. Then once you finish, you come back and press OK, and then this thing will put everything back to normal. Once the procedure is complete, you just come right over here, you just tap like that, and they say caution, exiting fitting position, and then you say OK, and then say there you go. So you can start the car, and then you can cancel everything from there, and then exit that mode. All right, I hope this helps you guys in doing your procedure. All right, thank you for watching. If you like it, please leave a like and subscribe, and then see you in the next video. All right, bye bye.